Angle of deviation produced by a mirror. Angle of deviation produced by plane mirror. What is the angle of plane? The angle between the direction of initial ray, that is incident ray, and the refracted ray. That we call it as angle of refraction. That is the angle this is a plane mirror, and a ray is incident here like this. At this point we draw the normal, and with this the ray is reflected. Incident ray, this is reflected ray, this is normal. So this, when you extend it backward, when you extend it forward, this incident ray, extend it back forward, this is the direction of incident ray. But the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray, this one, is called angle of deviation. So we call angle of deviation. So angle of deviation is nothing but the angle between the initial ray direction and the reflected rays. How to find out the angle of deviation? I have to find out the angle of deviation in this incident ray, produce it further, then measure the angle between the direction of incident ray and the reflected ray. So now this is normal. According to this is angle of incident with respect to normal and the incident ray, and this will be the same theta, the reflection of this, the angle of reflection also theta same with respect to the normal, and we get A, B, D and C. So angle of deviation is equal to 180 degree minus, because this is following 180 minus theta is equal to angle of deviation. 180 minus angle ABN plus angle NBNBD. So is equal to 180 minus this angle is equal to theta plus this theta. 180 minus this angle is equal to this angle, this theta. So it's equal to 180 degree minus 2 theta. This is the angle of deviation. If two plane mirrors are kept at 90, held at 90 degree to each other, this is M2, this is M1, both are kept at 90 degree to each other. In this case, a ray is incident like this. From the normal, it will be reflected like this. So it is incident like this. So this is incident ray for M1, incident ray for M1. This is reflected ray for M1. This is incident ray for M2. With respect to the normal, it will be reflected like this. This is reflected ray for M2. This is incident ray for M2. This is reflected ray. So according with respect to the normal, this will be theta, angle of incident, and this will be also theta, that is angle of reflection. Both are equal. It means this total angle is equal to 2 theta. Now what is the deviation? Deviation produced at mirror 1. Extend this incident forward. The angle between the incident ray and refracted ray is the angle of deviation at the mirror 1. It means it's equal to this angle is equal to 180 degree 180 degree minus 180 degree minus 180 degree minus theta plus theta, angle of incidence plus angle of reflection, that is plus theta is equal to 180 minus 2 theta. This is the angle of deviation produced at mirror 1. Now angle of deviation produced at mirror 2, this is the incident ray. So extended, the angle between incident ray and the refracted ray is the angle of deviation at mirror the mirror 2. At mirror 2, angle of deviation is what? This is 180 degree. So 180 degree minus this angle and this angle. What is this angle? This angle saying this is 90 and this is if this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. If it is 90 minus theta, this will be theta. Because theta plus 90 minus theta plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. All the sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. So if this is 90, if it is this is theta, it means this angle will be 90 minus theta, because the angle between them is 90 theta, 90 minus theta. If this is 90 minus theta, this will be theta. If this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. And this 90 minus theta, this is the angle, this is normal to normal and incident ray. It is angle of incidence is the 90 minus theta, and angle of reflection also 90 minus theta, because angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection for as far as the law of reflection is concerned. So this is equal to 90 minus theta plus 90 minus theta. So this is the this angle if you want to find out. This 180 minus this angle, that is 90 minus theta plus 90 minus theta, which is equal to 180 minus 90, 180 minus 180 minus theta minus 2 theta is equal to plus 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. The total deviation produced is equal to deviation produced at mirror 1 plus deviation produced at mirror 2 is equal to mirror 1. For mirror 1 is equal to 180 minus 2 theta, and for mirror 2 is plus 2 theta is equal to 180 degree. If two plane mirror are inclined at an angle theta, this is M2, this is M1, and both are inclined at an angle of theta. Let a ray is coming from this way, and after refraction it will go like this. And this is the normal one. After reflecting for this portion, this is the normal. We call it normal 2. Then with respect to this will be a reflector like this. So this is incident ray for M1, this is reflector ray for M2, and this is incident ray for M2, and this is reflected ray for M2. Now we have to find out, this is making an angle of alpha, this will be also alpha according to law of reflection with respect to the normal angle. And this is, if you are extending this one, the angle between the incident ray and the refracted ray is the deviation produced at mirror 1. And what is this angle? This angle will be, if this is alpha, this is 90 degree alpha, this is 90 minus alpha. We call it as C, we call this one as B, this one as A. Now we want to know this angle. Normal 2. So what is this? Is angle of deviation of mirror 2. The angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray. This is the angle. This angle of deviation for the second mirror. This is normal and this is the direction of the ray. What is so we it means this will be equal to 180 minus this angle because this is like this and the reflected ray is like this. This is what to and this is normal. This is incident and reflected ray. So this and this is angle of incident with respect to normal. This is angle of reflection. So this will be some angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. So angle BAM. So now we have to find out this angle. That is B. This angle. We have to find out this angle. How we find out this angle? And this angle are equal by law of reflection. Okay. Now let us calculate angle CBA. Angle CBA is equal to angle 180 minus this angle minus theta minus this angle 90 minus alpha, which is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 and minus this will be plus alpha minus theta. So this angle is 90 plus alpha minus theta. What will be this angle? Since this angle is 90 plus alpha minus theta and this angle will be 90 minus 90 plus, so angle ABN2. Angle ABN2, this angle will be is equal to 90 minus angle CBA is equal to 90 minus alpha minus theta, which is equal to this is plus alpha is equal to theta minus alpha. AB and this is equal to theta minus alpha. This will be also equal to theta minus alpha. So theta minus alpha. This is theta minus alpha. So what is this angle? Now we want to find out with the incident ray. If this is a angle of deviation of mirror to 180 minus this two angle is equal to angle of deviation at mirror 2. So angle of deviation at mirror 2 is equal to 180 degree minus this angle plus this angle is equal to 2 into theta minus alpha is equal to 180 degree. This is theta minus alpha. This is theta minus alpha. Yes. So minus 2 theta minus 2 alpha. This is the deviation produced at mirror 2. So what is this is 1. Deviation 1 is equal to and deviation produced at mirror 1. Deviation produced at mirror 1 is equal to 180. This is angle between incident ray and the refracted ray. So this is 180. This is 180. 180 minus alpha is equal to sigma 1 is equal to minus so alpha plus alpha. Alpha plus alpha minus 180 is equal to this one. So 180 minus 2 alpha. The total deviation produced after reflection from M1 and M2. Total reflection, total deviation is equal to, therefore, so deviation 1 is equal to 180 minus 2 alpha plus this is total deviation 180 minus 2 theta minus 2 alpha. This 180 is equal to 360 180 2 alpha, this plus minus 2 theta minus 2 theta plus minus 2 theta plus 2 alpha plus 2 alpha. So alpha gets cancelled, is equal to minus 2 theta minus 2 theta. So total deviation produced is equal to 360 minus 2 theta after reflection M1 and M2. This is the net deviation. Deviation at mirror 1 is equal to 180 minus 2 alpha. At this mirror is equal to 180 minus 2 theta plus 2 alpha.